Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Point. Today we're checking out the Alienware AW2723DF, a premium 27-inch gaming monitor that pushes speed, color, and design to the next level. With its blazing fast refresh rates, nano IPS technology, and Alienware's iconic design, this display is built for gamers who want smooth performance and stunning visuals all in one package. Stick around as we dive into its design, performance, and whether it deserves a spot in your setup. Let's start with what really matters to gamers: performance. The monitor runs at a native 240Hz refresh rate, and with overclocking, you can push it all the way up to 280Hz. Pair that with a lightning-fast 1 millisecond gray-to-gray response time, and you're getting buttery smooth gameplay that keeps up with every flick, every shot, and every frame. Whether you're playing competitive FPS titles or fast-paced esports, this monitor is built to eliminate lag and give you the upper hand. Now, speed is great, but without AdaptiveSync, you'd still risk stuttering and tearing. Thankfully, this monitor is NVIDIA G-Sync compatible and VESA AdaptiveSync certified, which means silky smooth, tear-free visuals, no matter what GPU you're running. Combine that with ultra-low latency, and you've got gameplay that feels fluid and responsive every single time. Of course, it's not just about speed. This monitor also delivers seriously impressive visuals. It uses an IPS Nano Color panel with 95% DCI-P3 color coverage, so colors look dynamic, accurate, and vibrant across wide viewing angles. Add in VESA DisplayHDR 600 certification, and you're getting punchier highlights, deeper contrast, and more immersion whether you're gaming, watching movies, or even doing content creation. The picture just pops. Alienware didn't forget about the aesthetics either. This monitor comes in their signature Legend 2.0 design, finished in lunar light white, with subtle curves that fit perfectly into a modern battle station. You also get customizable AlienFX RGB lighting, 360-degree ventilation to keep things cool, and a stand that's not only sturdy but also fully adjustable for tilt, swivel, pivot, and height. Plus, the Infinity Edge display trims down the bezels, making your games feel even more immersive. So, who is the Alienware AW2723DF for? If you're a competitive gamer who demands ultra-fast refresh rates, but you also want vivid colors, HDR support, and premium design, this monitor really strikes the balance between speed and visuals. It's not just about keeping up with the action, it's about looking incredible while doing it. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more latest product reviews. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on product we review today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews. And I'll see you in the next one.